I'm going to talk about generally cameras in general, and there's going to be quite an overlap between what I'm going to talk about and what our previous speaker also spoke about in terms of the different components of the cameras. So this is a brief overview of what I'm going to speak about. Generally talk about applications. What does the camera system look like? What do the camera mounts look like on a few specific applications? Lenses, image sensors, interfaces, controls, and some performance trade-offs. So most people, my understanding is over here, are using images to do some kind of embedded processing. And so this talk is if someone wants to build their own embedded system based on a Jetson or a Raspberry Pi or a Qualcomm Snapdragon or something, they need to pick a camera and to use in this particular application. And so I wanted to go over the language and the things you need to care about in an imaging system when you're trying to build something from scratch. So there are, an infinite number of applications for embedded systems, and this is just a few of them that I picked up from a website used by Basler, which is a company that makes cameras for industrial cameras, essentially. And many of these things, as you well know, are all being used in embedded applications today, and also going into edge applications where you're doing it in real time and not having to go into the cloud to do any of your analysis. So what are the components of a camera system if you're going to be using it for the first time? There are a few things you need to care about. There's a camera in a camera body. It has a sensor. You use some optics. And then you use some sort of an interface to connect to some embedded system where you're going to do your analysis of your images and try to get some results out of your analysis. And I want to talk through all of these components of the system, starting with the lens.